Welcome to our channel. If you're having trouble with your Chromecast and it's not functioning as expected, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 quick methods to help resolve common Chromecast issues. Let's dive right into it. Method 1. Restart your Chromecast. The first step in troubleshooting many tech issues is to restart the device. Here's how you can do it. 1. Unplug the Chromecast. Disconnect it from the HDMI port and the power source. 2. Wait for a moment. Leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds. 3. Plug it back in. Reconnect the Chromecast to the HDMI port and power source. 4. Check your device. Once it powers on, try casting again to see if the problem persists. Method 2. Ensure your devices are connected to the same network. Chromecast works best when your casting device and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network. Follow these steps. 1. Check Wi-Fi on your phone or tablet. Go to your device's settings and ensure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromecast. 2. Verify Wi-Fi on Chromecast. You can check this through the Google Home app. Open the Google Home app. Select your Chromecast device. Check the Wi-Fi network listed and make sure it matches your phone's Wi-Fi. Method 3. Update your Google Home app. An outdated app can cause connectivity issues. Make sure your Google Home app is up to date. 1. Open your App Store. Go to the App Store iOS or Google Play Store, Android. 2. Search for Google Home. Type in Google Home in the search bar. 3. Update the app. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. 4. Restart the app. Once updated, open the app and try connecting to your Chromecast again. Method 4. Check your TV input settings. Sometimes the issue lies in the TV settings. Here's what you should do. 1. Use your TV remote. Make sure you're on the correct HDMI input where the Chromecast is plugged in. 2. Switch between HDMI ports. If you have multiple HDMI ports, toggle through them to see if you can find the correct input. 3. Restart your TV key. Unplug the TV from power for a minute and plug it back in for a fresh start. Method 5. Factory reset your Chromecast. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary. Just keep in mind that this will erase all settings and need to be set up from scratch. Here's how to do it. 1. Locate the reset button. Find the button on your Chromecast device. 2. Press and hold the button. Hold the reset button for about 25 seconds until the LED light starts blinking orange and then turns white. 3. Release the button. Once the light is solid white, your Chromecast has been reset. 4. Set it up again. Follow the instructions through the Google Home app to configure it as new. Following these methods should help you resolve your Chromecast issues quickly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.